privilege to share the dais with Honorable Dr. Krishnadas, Chairman of the institutions, and Mr. Krishna Kumar, CEO and Secretary, and Dr. Anita Gupta on the virtual dais, and Mahalakshmi Saravanan. Once again, it's a great privilege to be part of this event. I'm definitely sure this is a mark of a great beginning for many of you, particularly for the incubators, future entrepreneurs. I'm here to tell you a success story of once upon a startup company. I represent a company from like that. I come from a background of aviation and defense industry, which I am part of the industry for about 31 years. See, in 1973, this company, the Mac Controls, is started by an engineering graduate like you with an idea, just an idea. It's a very, very humble beginning. There is no institution like Nehru Group to incubate and make it a big. So it was a very, very small beginning. You must be aware, and you must have heard stories about how L&T has started and how the big industries, well-known industries, which is popular now, have a very, very humble beginnings. The same way. In 90s, we've been doing various products for industry, rectifiers, kind of small products. But in 90, we had an opportunity to enter into a aviation side. That time, there is no much private companies or private industries who are capable of manufacturing aircraft equipments, ground support equipments throughout the country. Even now, we are the only company who are manufacturing the ground support equipments. It calls for a highly demanding technology. That's why when I was invited for this event, the technology incubation, that is the main thing, technology business incubation. That is the main thing that I have readily accepted when Vaikundar Selvan has called for this. Because this is a dream of the nation, and this is a dream of the industry where multiple entrepreneurs has to come up. See, when we entered into this aviation side, when we had an opportunity, particularly that time only Rajiv Gandhi has inducted various A320 aircrafts, A3 series aircraft, Airbus aircrafts, which calls for a highly technical systems, support system on the ground. So we grabbed this opportunity. There is no problem in developing a project like this in terms of technology. So we jumped into the opportunity and we executed in a very short time, it's a record time. In 6-month project, we have demonstrated. There was a lot of hurdles because nobody believed an Indian company can make such a kind of equipments. Okay, so this is the scenario. Even now, when we started the Air Mac industry in '97, the main thing is during that time, all the foreign nations have been starting company here. Not Indian company starting a company in US. This is completely other way around. So we started with the vision to promote this product throughout the globe. So once you reach this side, then scaling up is not an issue. When you get there, automatically you know how to scale it up. That's the only thing. So with this, I have a few things to share, a few words to share with you. Particularly, when you have this kind of task, Himalayan task in front of you, when we talk about the outward science, you also need to think about the inner science. This how you keep your mind, how you keep your emotions, and how you keep your body. That is very, very important. That is very, very important because that is the thing That is the raw material with which you are moving ahead in the society with the industry or whatever the visions you have. So I strongly recommend all of you to do some kind of yoga or meditation, because that is what made me. And for about 25 years I've been practicing, and 20 years I've been teaching to all my teammates and various other people also. So this is very, very important. So please take care of that aspect. So with these words, I close my speech, and thank you once again for the opportunity given.